What's up, y'all? It starts with Groove here. Happy Friday to you. Last trading day of the week. First week of the year, man. Um, Seemed like market started off a little decent. Now it's coming back down, pulling on back. For y'all investors in MPW, Medical Properties Trust, y'all can see it took a big old fall. It wrote off like $350 million in debt from a tenant um that had owed them $350 in rent, just to keep it simple. They had wrote it off. I guess they're gonna take that as a loss on their taxes. Um, what I have been doing, it dropped 30. Matter of fact, let me go to it now. Start off with that, and I'm gonna go do my regular. It dropped 30% in one day, 30.60. In my Robinhood portfolio, I'm at $600. I'm sorry, man. 490 shares at $6.03. I was at $7.30. I brought like 100 shares. I brought a little over 100 because I had some buy limits sitting at 425, 450, $4. Triggered all that. And I brought more, as I'm gonna show you. As you can see. And I brought more January 25th at $3.48. Brought 57 shares. But another 43 at $3.45. My plan was to buy it and sell it quick, but on this Robinhood account, you're gonna be marked as a day pattern trader. I can get in and out of trades on my Webull account and on my Cash App, which I was doing that. I actually lowered my Cash App account portfolio in MPW and on Webull, man. Very, 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 very good. I think I'm down to like $4.05 now on my Cash App, and I'm going lower. I think I brought about 200 shares, probably a little over that, and I brought them and sold them and brought them and sold them. I have to go in there and show you, man. But my buying power in this portfolio was at like 4,500, but I spent about 500 a day on MPW. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna sell it, and I'm probably gonna buy some more, being that I can't buy and sell it on this account. I'm gonna just buy it and hold it. When it hit about 375, 4, I'm gonna let it rip. That's the only thing about Robinhood is user friendly, but when you want to get in and get out, it's not. All right, let's go to Bitcoin. Damn, it's down and it's still at $43,245 at a negative $380. That is good, man. It is holding well. All right, let's see what it is. See what it do. I got Xerox sell order at 19 bucks. Think I'm gonna sell everything. I think it reached its peak. I don't see no more of the company growing. I mean, they sell inks and printers and photo stuff. I mean, they gonna do good business every year, but I don't see the company growing any like Apple or all that other stuff. So I'm gonna get out and buy low and sell it high and swing trade it. But it is a nice stock to keep for the dividend too. I'm gonna just get out of this one because I can employ that money somewhere else and lower my average cost on some other stuff. But I'm probably gonna keep it in my Cash App the portfolio. All right. Being long term, PSEC came below $6 the other day. That's another one to get. Paid 6 cents a share. Main Street down, but it's still high. Like to buy that under $39. Altria is a buy. Like I say, buy that under $42 and under. Time I can catch it at that. I'm $5 a day in this one. I got it in my Cash App portfolio too. $5 a day too in that one. Under $42. And all these REITs you see, man, just keep on accumulating. Use some fractional shares. Don't go hard at nothing. Like I said, when that When they start doing them interest rate cuts, man, these REITs, they're going to take off. And you want to have your average cost in a good place. So that way you could be in the green faster. One thing about REITs, they pay high yielding dividends too. So I mean your money's sitting in that cash balance account ain't doing a whole lot for you. Especially whenever you're able to come on down in a couple of stocks. Meaning bringing down your average cost. But for y'all that don't have any medical properties trust, this is a good time for you to get in it. Because you starting out your whole position at 349, 345, 350 and under. I mean, you can't beat that with a stick, man. You can buy that and hold it. I mean, because that thing gonna go back up. They'll move the target price down from $9 to $7. So if you buying at 350, you hold it to $7. And it's probably gonna surpass 7 too, but that's 100% profit, 100% upside on that company, on that stock. So you cannot beat that. All right, gonna get some good Gladstone commercial, down a little bit in that. That pays a monthly dividend. Especially you got to catch and buy some of these, which I wouldn't call good in the prices at as a real good sale. But being I got some money sitting, it's only right for me to go ahead and buy some. Like I said, when this market takes off, man, I'm trying to be just chilling. I'm not saying I don't want to buy anything, but I want to be in a place where I don't have to. Gladstone there, I'm up in that. HPP, specific. About to be bailed out of that. Let that come down some more. Come on to me. LTC is another monthly paying REIT. I think that is monthly paying. Down a little bit of that. Accumulate a couple of that. Yeah, that's what I really need to come down. I'm getting lost, taking losses in these REITs. Like I said, man, they got beat up bad. The REITs in these banks, especially those REITs. Ready Capital. Put some money down. TSLY and KLIP 2 clip, man, they went down today. Remember, TSLY is covered calls on Tesla. When Tesla is down, that stock TSLY is going to be down. When Tesla is up, that stock is going to go up. So it moves on the way that Tesla is selling. Now, anytime Tesla does a dip or a pullback, you need to go ahead in and buy some. This another monthly paying REIT, SLRC. And this one is steady, man. It never really falls. 52-week high 1348, 52-week low 1348, high 1608. It always stays within that range. I'm sorry, let me show y'all the dividend yield too. 10.8. 10.8%. And it pays every month. Amount per share, 41 cents a share. I hope they didn't go back to quarterly. They was monthly before. Hold on, let's check. I got them in my Charles Schwab portfolio too. Okay, September. in December. They must have, yeah, about June. That's June, July, August. August 3rd would be September. September 28th would be October. Okay, what they did in October to be November. October they didn't do anything. I guess that's why they paid 41 cents a share in December. What they paid is 13.6 cents a share. They pay every month. So they paid one September 28th would be October. 13.6. November they didn't do anything. In December they came and did 41 cents. So I guess that'll make up for 3 months. So yeah, basically paid monthly. I don't know what they did with that, but you know they did come back and triple up to give you the 3 months they had missed. So I'll take that. TSLX 2169. I'm up. Global net lease. I know I'm down a little bit in that. That's another high yielder. Get some of that. MFIC, another one I need to come down in. Know I'm up with that. Great. And you ain't got to spend no money on that. Good. Land. It's another one I need to get some shares of, depending on where it's at. $13.89. Get some more of that. Piece land together. Once I can get me a couple shares, my average cost down about under $14, $13.50. I say I should be good. It's all gonna come. Metafast down again. Get $5 of that. Need the average cost down in that. Nice dividend payer, as long as they're able to sustain the dividend. I should be up in this one. Remember, I sold that one 30.32. I'm at 28. DEA. They pay rent to the federal government. Well, the federal government pays rent to these people, DEA. All right. Catch Nike on the day when it's down. Community healthcare. I had to get some of that. I'm down in that. All good, man. Just piecing everything together. I learned, 'cause I was aggressive boy coming. I had to go in, man, and I would get my butt whooped. 'Cause them REITs, man, just the time. It wasn't my trading, just the economy, man. When that war in Russia hit, boy, the last one that thing definitely tanked everything. I was like, dang, man, this market just keep on, like, it's getting worse and worse. But you got to stay in it and ride it out, man. Sometimes you got the stomach in and just swallow down your pride and keep on buying, man. That's like with medical with MPW today. I say, man, good God, I just got my average cost down to where I wanted it. I had my cash out when at $5.03, which every time it was above that, I was in the green. I said, I'm gonna get it down to about $4.50, $4.75, and this thing tanked. I said, you know what? I'm about to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. I'm a hustler. I know how to make it on through. And that's what I did, man. So well, now today I ain't tripping. Only thing I'm tripping about with MPW is my Robinhood, that I wasn't able to sell it due to the rules and all that there. But as far as my Webull and my Cash App, I'm looking good with that. I'm satisfied. Matter of fact, you can see right there, Webull, your order to sell 100 shares of MPW have been filled at $3.49 because I brought some at $3.47. Buying and selling it, buying and selling it. Okay. Cash App, you sold 350 of MPW. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm standing at too on those. And those the portfolios. I'm up in Hennessy Advisors finally. 736. I'm at 719. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's why I tell y'all, man, keep your money in the market. Find you a hustle, side hustle. Don't have no goddamn, no pride, like me. I go out and Uber on the weekends. It ain't for the money, for me to have to invest. Just in case the market take a crash, I can buy some VOO, VTI, DHS, HDV, SEHDs, all the ETFs I want. I can have that money just sitting. And I did it just in case a recession came, like they was screaming. The one thing about that, it ain't just about the stock market. It's about dealing with assets in general and land. And I don't care if you buying flip cars. He who has cash is king, and she who has cash is queen. Everybody gonna sell their assets whenever they need their money. When you got that mortgage due, a rent is due, and you got that beautiful car, or you 3 or 4 months behind on rent, and you got a car outside you ain't able to sell for $7,000, or you can, you 3 months, 2-3 months behind on your mortgage, and that bank calling to take it, and you got that pretty shiny car, some of that gold and silver sitting, or I don't care, some Jordan shoes, anything that's worth value that somebody else won't. That's gonna be the first thing to go. And if you got money, you can get it for a good old price, because they're gonna be very desperate to sell it. That's why they say he who has cash is king, and she who has cash is queen. So you always want to put some money up, sitting, just in case when the opportunity comes, you able to lock it in. OARK, I let that pull back to me. I think I did buy TSLY today. Something should have triggered. Yeah, I did. 5 shares at 11. And what it should have did some more. 3 shares at 10.90. That's cool. Anything else? Nope, that's my dividend. But guess what? Right now, I will buy $10.91. What it was today? Oh yeah, I get some of that. $50 worth at $10.90. I take that. I'm gonna get a nice dividend. Y'all wonder why I just went in on that? I'm gonna show you why. But one thing about it, when you buy it at that $10.85, $11 range, you can always sell it around about 12 and always get your money back. So I'm trying to get my first 100 shares. This paid last month. It paid a dividend of 60 cents a share. And my average cost, I think it just shows at 12 something. But this put 12.20, 84 shares. I'm good on that. Because they say Tesla's supposed to hit around about over that $315 mark by the end of this year. So when that goes to that, TSLY, as you can see, TSLY got a high around about the $17 range. Nope, $18.48. And I'm a dummy because I had a bunch of shares and I could have sold it. And I was stupid. But it is, like I say, you can never lose money by taking profit. But I ain't tripping because I've been getting those dividends. But I could have took that profit and went back and brought more dividend, more shares with that profit. But it don't matter. I still got the dividends every month, so I ain't tripping. Clip $15.98. I brought some of that today. Trigger today, $16 a share. I'm at $16.58. And I also gonna buy $5 worth. So when I get these $5 worth, that stuff I never sell. So usually I go all in. I went and got like 100 shares and all that. Nope, I ain't doing that no more. Which is good. One thing about these monthly plan dividend stocks, you can always stop buying them and just reinvest the dividends. It's hard to do it with quarterly because you got to wait 90 days. So you see a dip, you got the dollar cost average in it. But yeah. AGNC, ARR, I'm down. I know those REITs I got to come down in. AGNC. I brought that one at 931 today. I put another buy order in at 931. I need to do that with this portfolio too, but it's hard for me to buy and sell in this one. That's why I don't bother it. I am gonna, let's do this. Show y'all how I do it. But what I can do is this. All right, how many dividends I got? When the 10th is, ain't gonna 11, 14, $28. When the 10th is, I'm gonna invest all that because the 10th right around the corner. What that is, $42. 9:30, I'm gonna buy $42 worth. Buy. You know what? I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna pause. I got some TSLYs. I brought that to handle that. I really want to catch that around the $9 mark. I'm just knowing this portfolio I can't get in and out trading the way I want. So I could buy it at 931, sell it at 950, buy it at 931, 950, lower my average cost. But it's all good. I ain't tripping. All right, let me show y'all my Webull. MPW. See, I'm at $4.05. That's where I'm at now. And you can see sell 50, sell 50. I mean, I brought 100 and sold them. I brought another 100 and sold 100. I lowered my average cost and I used margin. It wasn't none of my money. I used the margin. But you can see I had some things triggered at the 480, 475, 450, 425, 425. See, 480, 20 shares, 475, 10, 450, 20, 425, 10, 425, 15, 445, $4.25, 50, 349 with the ones I sold. But everything in the folds I still kept and got. But you see my average cost is at 405, which is lower than the 450, 480, 475 and all that there. So that's what I did. Also on my orders, I got MPW 344. I'm gonna modify that 344. I'm going in aggressive again at 100. Like I told y'all this year, I'm not playing. Come join me and get this money. I will be taking my trips over to Santo Domingo this year on a regular. So I will be going aggressive trading, aggressively. This is my MPW and my Cash App. Another one I'm gonna be targeting to sell to is Western Union. As you can see, my average cost right now is $4.25. Right now it's at $3.54. I was at $5.03 this morning when I started. So just to show y'all, it did trigger. Matter of fact, it's gonna go down some because it didn't factor this in. I actually be around the $4 range. So Mineral Property Trust. Okay, that kicked in. So I am actually at $4.20 a share. That's where I'm at right now. See, anything past $4, $4.20 is a profit. I will put a buy order. Hold on, let me show y'all what else triggered. Remember, you are the CEO of your portfolio. At times you got to buy and sell, buy and sell. It ain't about the profit. This is about lowering your average cost. As you can see this morning, 11:01, I brought $200 worth. That's 57 shares. 11:01, 11:15, I brought 43 shares. Boom. And I sold, as you can see, that's $3.44 a share at 150. And at the $200, I brought at $3.50, $200 worth. So $3.44, $3.50. I sold them at, so $350 worth at $352. So I made 2 cents on the $200 worth and 8 cents on the $150 worth. Then I came back, $11.39, bought 50 shares, $50 worth, $11.43, 25, $11.26. I did $125, and then $11.51, $350. I sold $350 worth at $351, but I brought everything at like $348, $349 the highest. So I made 3 cents here, 7 cents on this one because I brought this one at $347. But that's what you gotta do. You see, I got a buy limit 25 worth at $341, 25 worth at $344, and that's just something to buy. I like to get this under $4. I'm gonna put 340, 346. But I need to get 346. I'm gonna put 100, see if it triggered. Nope, 150. Let me see if I can trigger another sale. See, cause these apps be funny. Let me see something. Sale. $4. Maybe I can get in and out one more good time today. $4, 370 worth. I'm gonna see if it's gonna go through and trigger. Cause it might say I'm up to my sale day pattern thing. Target price $4, sale 370 worth. Let me see. If it go on through, I'm gonna put another order in. Oh, hell yeah. Excuse my French. Okay. So I'm gonna go back and cancel that. Cause I see it would let me trigger. So I'm going back in hard. I'm gonna do a 346 and sell at 350. 347. I'm going in on 100 shares. I know it's gonna go around that 347, 349 range. Yep. That'll put me in a good old area there. Good position. I want my average cost to be under $4. So come on down, baby. I ain't playing with you. Alright. And I'm going to go back to Webull. Sorry for this long video, but if y'all got this company, you better pay attention and follow me. I ain't saying I know everything, but one thing about it, even if it don't close on Monday, it's going to trigger it. Just have that thing waiting. Alright, look at my orders. What I put in, 344. 100 shares. See, just in case it might not go to 344, it might do 347. I'm going to go right back. MPW. I'm going to hit 347. I know it'll hit that 350 range. At 347, boom. I'm gonna go back my orders. I'm gonna modify the 344 order. Modify that. Then I did 347. I'm gonna cut this short at 25 shares. Cause I don't want to be so deep. Just in case it go lower, I was gonna do 100. I can go under 3 more prices at 25 to equal that 100. So that way I'm looking at my money. But yeah, that's how I do it, man. But y'all, hey man, subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend, man. Yeah, go and get your Pfizer, $30 and under. I don't have it in my Robinhood portfolio. Get your Altria group and your BTI at $30 and under. Altria 42 and under, Pfizer 30 and under. And get some Diageo, man. That thing there gonna be good. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm holding that since I'm in my Cash App. DEO. I'm at 150 is at 141. I brought $10 the other day. I'm gonna get another 5 today. This a buy. I try to buy this under one. I like to buy this under 130, 142 to the 52-week low round like 136. So usually I set it at 142 or 141.75. So yeah, this is a nice one to have too, man. Yeah, fuck no, I'm about $10. Get 20 today. Feel like balling out. They're gonna pay off in the long run when I swing trading. I'm gonna be paid in the shade, sipping on lemonade. All right, man, I'm out. GGYM, go get your money. Also, while I'm here, one more time, man, I'm sorry. I gotta go to the gym real quick. Charge point when it's going on the run. It's my charge point portfolio in my Cash App. Average calls 191, got 193 shares. I'm up 16%. This is my long-term hold. I'm gonna let this one ride. I don't get a dividend, but my foundation is good. I'm at 191. When it reaches 191 and lower, I buy more at 191. I gotta buy order at 183. Hey, I'm out, man. GGYM. Go get your money.